Okay, so this is what I had to do to fix my printer. The Brother MFC-9440CN stopped picking the paper up from the bottom tray. And the culprit is this little rubber wheel thing here. You have to flip the printer up on its back there to pull it out. A little bit of alcohol here. And just clean them up. Get this one. Okay, so we're all cleaned up, not perfectly, but that's what we're going with. Now we're gonna put it back in. Take it in there. You see this little nub here, that's what kind of locks it in place. So you slide it back on, put the long end in there, slide it in, and then you're just gonna get this nub past the little clicker back here. So you just push your finger, get that up. Now it's locked in place. Now, of course, you can do this without tipping it now that I know how the mechanism works. Okay, so for the wonderful cleaning did not work for me, so we'll move on to when I ordered the parts and fixed it the right way. Okay, so we got our part now for our printer here. We'll see if we can get her all fixed up. So we already have this part apart, and pop this guy off. Show you that. See what's inside of our bag here. I'll have a link in the description to this little fella you can buy. I forget where I bought it. It wasn't on it. Amazon. This little fella. Oh, now I remember how to do this. And this little fella. Let's put this little fella in first here. Oops. There's also a spring. Don't lose the spring. Spring just fell out there. Oh no. We just have to take this little fella here and push him in. A screwdriver would probably be helpful at this point. I think that's what we'll do. Show you the right way to do it. Let's go get ourselves a screwdriver. A little tiny screwdriver. You can just pop this little fella out of there. There we go. He's popped out. Oh, there's where our spring is. So. Looks like he's got two more little doodads come down here. Pry them out. Now he's out. There's our old spring. Might as well put the new spring in. Got a new spring. Here's our new doodad. Get the spring on the doodad there. Push him in there. Till he snaps. Push that in. That. There we go. Now we got that part's all fixed. And now the next part, we have to flip our printer. Take this paper tray out, so you can do this without flipping this up. Actually, flip it up on its back here. It's much easier to get to. You can just toss these. So we unplug our printer here. Very heavy printer. Don't want to grab them by the plastic bits or you'll break them. Scoot them forward and I'll just tip them up. Push him out of the way and then just swing this up. swing him up, and then he'll pop right off like that. And then we'll take our new one over here. And there we go, slide the doodad in the hole, down there. Push this down. And try not to touch these rubber rollers too much, you get your greasy hands all over it. And just push that little guy down, now he's locked in there. Okay, now we should be good. Let's give her a test out. So press these two buttons together to put it in demo mode. We'll see if it prints here. And there it goes. It picked up the paper and printed from the bottom. So that's how you can fix that problem. This one's got 11,000 prints on. Not sure if this is the first time it's been done or not, but there you go. Hope that worked for you. Hope you enjoy your day. Subscribe, like. Thanks much. Bye-bye. And don't forget to put this little guy back on there. It worked just fine without it, but it's supposed to be there, so I might as well put it back.